Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to import chart from Google Sheets in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Sheet. Then open a document. Then create a document. Now you can see here are my document with some text. Now I insert a chart in this sheet spreadsheet. Now select some cell to drag on your mouse, then go to insert menu. Now you can see here are chart option. Click this chart option. Now you can see here are chart type option. Click this chart type drop down menu and choose any type of chart. Now I choose stacked column chart. Just press it. Now you can see I insert this stacked column chart in Google spreadsheet. Now I import chart from Google Sheets in Google Docs. Now I import these charts to Google Docs. Now click this three dot to these charts. Now you can see here are copy chart. Just copy this chart. Now go to your Google Docs document. Now right click on this document. Now you can see here are paste option. Just click this paste. Now you can see here are paste chart option. You can see here are paste unlinked or link to spreadsheet. Now I choose link to spreadsheet. Then click paste. Now you can see I import chart from Google Sheets in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.